another tutorial by Recurring Reflections. Today we'll be focusing on finding the equation of the parabola. When we are finding the equation of the parabola, there are three formulas or three methods that you have to get familiar with. These methods are the method that is going to help you in solving or finding the equation of the parabola. So the first method of the day is going to be, or it will apply if you are given the x-intercept and 1 point. So this can be any point which lies on your parabola. So the formula that you will have to use is, the formula will be y is equal to a open bracket x minus x1 x minus x2. So how it works in this method is that you're going to substitute the values of the x-intercept and then the given point, which is not the x-intercept, and solve for a to find the value of a. Then the second method, you are going to use it if you are given the turning point TP is our turning point and 1 point. This is the second method. The formula that you need to use in this one is y equals to a open bracket x plus p all squared plus q. So p and q is the coordinates of our turning point. Sorry. Then after substituting the coordinates of the turning point, the only thing that should be remaining to do will be to substitute the given point and solve for a again. So the last method will be if you are given the coordinates of 3 points on the parabola. So if you're given 3 points on the parabola, this is the method or the formula rather that you will have to use, which is y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. If you can remember, this is the general formula for the parabola or the quadratic equation. If you're given 3 points or 3 coordinates, then it means that the C will be given as the y-intercept. The only thing you'll be remaining to do is to solve for A and B simultaneously. Our other video, I will attach it at the end of this one, where we'll be showing the first method, an example of solving an equation which needs you to use the first formula, or the second one and the third one. We'll attach a video for each, so you can also check them on our playlist, which will be functions and graphs. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click here to subscribe and click here to watch more videos, and get in touch with us on our social medias. The links are on the descriptions. Thanks. Enjoy the rest of your day.